Welcome friends. In this video I am going to tell about rfind function which will helps you searches a specific word inside the string and returns the index of the beginning character of the search word. Okay, so how it is going to be work and perform, let's see through code. So first of all you have to declare one text variable, that is my favorite fruit is apple. Then x equal to text dot rfind double quote, within the quote search word is apple, then print x. So what is going to be written here? When you run the code you will see, so here's some issue not showing the inside the terminal. I will directly call this file name rfind string function in command prompt by using the python. Okay, so here already I am write down r python rfind string function.py. When I enter it returns 22. Okay, it returns 22. So if you want to start counting from beginning my to till reach this particular word search word, then the beginning character index value is going to return by the rfind function. Okay, so next I will show you another example. Text dot welcome to Lingaraj Tech Hub. Okay, so x equal to text dot rfind, then double quote, yeah, here Lingaraj Tech Hub, then print x. Fine. When you going to run it, then see what is going to return the index value of that particular search word. Okay, 11. So if you counting start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, it's a exact 11 index value of the search word of beginning character will going to be written here. Okay, you understand? If you have any doubt further, go through the comment box, type there. I go through your doubt and reply on there. Please like this video, share this channel, subscribe this channel, click on the bell icon. If I am going to upload any future videos, you will get the notifications. Thank you.